interesting. With technology becoming increasingly interesting to students, how do we use it effectively in the classroom? Here are some tips and websites for math integration. Hey guys, I am Brianna Sorleen, and I am going to teach you some websites about math integration and how to use games and interactive technology with kids in the classroom regarding math. I work at a K-8 charter school right now, and in our 4-5 and all of our classes we use a lot of math games, especially when students are done with their classwork and they need some extra practice or skills. It really helps them stay engaged and get that buy-in regarding math. So I'm going to show you 3 websites and resources that we use and some advantages of them. All right, the first website I'm going to show you is the Reflex Math. This one is great because students can track their progress as well as the teachers can get their progress. Our students use this a lot after they're done with their homework or classwork. Then they grab the iPad and they can just sit around the classroom and practice. So as you can see, it helps students' ability with fluency in their basics, facts, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So it can be used anywhere. And again, the great part of this resource is the teacher support. So results can be directly sent to the teacher. You can take a little tour here. You can get a free trial, but it does cost money. So you can see right here we have the fluency and it shows the percent assessed, and then you can see engaging games. So that's always great for students to keep them engaged. All right, moving on, we're going to go to IXL Math. All right, with IXL, I'm actually going to show you the home page here. It is not only math, and this does require a membership as well, but it is one of my favorite resources because it goes over all skill areas. As you can see, we have math, language arts, science, social studies, and this also can be tracked, and the students can track their progress. What's great about this as well is as students go on, they can actually complete a lesson and they get a lot of praise and re-encouragement and reinforcement. So, for example, like I was saying, we're in a 4-5 class that I work in a lot, and here are just some examples of what you would be doing. The students would get different problems, and then as they answer them, they'll get the correct or incorrect. But it's really interactive, really simple, very friendly for students to use. They can just go right to the skill that their teacher said, maybe work on this skill. So as you can see, it's also broken down. So if a student needs to work on fractions, they can come over here and just do a fraction review or whatever they need to practice on or work on. So this is one of my favorite websites to use, even though it does cost money and needs a membership. Last website I'm going to show you is coolmathforkids.com. It's a really simple, color interactive eye catcher for kids, and it's free. So one of the great things here is there's resources for teachers, parents, there's different areas. So you can do math games. You can see it has all these different ideas here for kids. So if we click on math games here, you can see all the different ones. So it doesn't show you a picture of the game, which I think would be nice for students. So I don't really think they're into just reading about the game, but it is good to keep them interactive and buy-in. So that's a great resource to use if you're just looking for something fun for them to practice some skill sets. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed the 3 websites I shared with you and those resources. Remember, the most important thing is how you integrate them and how you teach your students to use them. We definitely don't want it to be the only thing they're learning. They still need to be learning and interacting with each other in the classroom, but it's a great tool to use to get them to practice extra skills, because we can all use extra practice, especially when it comes to math. So thank you.